Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I am going to show you how quickly you can set up a single page portfolio using HTML and CSS with the help of ChatGPT. You don't have to have any experience at all with HTML or CSS, although it might be helpful. That said, I'm going to jump right into it. So I've got some prompts that I've saved over time for building HTML and CSS and various workflows and tasks that I've worked on. So I'm just going to pull these up, and this one right here can be used to basically create an entire page. These other ones have some very specific functionality, so if you already have an existing page and you want to add to that page, you can use some of these prompts here. For this one, I'm going to use this. I'm just going to copy this, open up ChatGPT, paste this in, and we are going to write HTML and CSS code for a single page portfolio. So this is pretty good. We've got a very basic portfolio page here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go into Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to create my index.html. I'm going to paste this in. Now obviously if this is your portfolio, you're going to want to come in here and modify some of this information, such as the email address, your phone number, any of the projects you've worked on. If you want to add things like skills and whatnot, you could come in here and you could modify this. But for now, let's just give this a save and see what this looks like. And here we go. So this is a very basic HTML single page portfolio. Obviously right here where there's room for a profile picture, you would actually have to put a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in. So in order to do that, just to kind of see what this is really going to look like, I'm going to pull this up. And right here where it says image source profile picture.jpg, I'm going to change that to decoy.png. Okay, let's give that a save. Give this a refresh, and there we go. So now we got a nice little profile picture here. If I want to go in and I want to update this, instead of saying my portfolio, all right, go ahead and give that a refresh. Cool. So as you can see, you can kind of go through here and you can make whatever modifications you need to. And you could definitely use this for your own portfolio page. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I will also put the prompts we used in the description below. If you have any questions or anything, just please leave those down in the comments below. And please like and subscribe for future content.